Here's a test run of the motors at the fans that I took down earlier today. This one is of the first one that I took down. The one that is free spinning. The fan is controlled by this speed control. It's also an on and off switch as well. So here we go. And the light is just controlled by this pull chain switch. Works pretty good. That's the first one. What's going on with the second one? QC passed sticker. You don't see that anymore, now do you? Nope, not anymore. Alright, let's test this one. It works. Bearings need a little working in, but that'll work out as the fan runs in. Cast iron spinner, just like the other two. So it's going to take a while to stop. Now let's try reverse. See if it quiets the bearings down a little bit. A little bit. Since there's really not a load on it, I could just put it on low speed, since there's no blades on it. Yeah. Oh yeah, I took that light off already. I just got tired of looking at it. As you remember, this one was the one that was a little hard to turn. Yeah. This is the last fan that I took down in the house. And it was even tight to turn when I had the blades on it. And it's also the one that is missing the switch. So, let's see if it runs. Nothing so far. I mean, it is humming a little bit. Might have a bad capacitor. Alright, so 1 out of 3 is not working. That's not a problem. I can fix it. I'm pretty sure the reason why it's not working is because the bearings are too hard. But it has kind of loosened up now. switch is bad. Alright. This one doesn't seem to be working. So I guess we can further investigate and see what the problem is. Okay, with the light fixture removed, apparently somebody has already been inside of this switch housing. Because you notice the light wires, you got one that's got a regular size cap, and then you got one that's got this oversized cap in there. So yeah. Let's see how the capacitor looks. I think it's on top of the motor on these, if I remember correctly. Nope. I don't even have to test the capacitor to know that it's bad. I mean, look at it. It took a shit all over the place. Oh yeah, that thing is swelled up like no. All the oil, whatever it is that was in it, leaked out. Oh yeah, like I mentioned in the video when I was taking these fans down, this is how you can tell what kind of fan your Emperor is if you don't know what it is. Let me go get something and clean that tag off a little bit. Unfortunately for this fan, when I try to wipe this clean, it took some of the information on it, but you can clearly see that it is a Supreme fan brand. I looked on the other motor earlier. I already closed it back up, but the nameplate is better on this one. So here's the other one that I opened up. There's the name tag on this one. Supreme Fan Mark III, JCSC52. You see how that capacitor looks? Look at it compared to this one that's all saturated in oil. Which kind of explains why the bearings are tight. You got the oil from the capacitor that went inside the bearings and caused them to lock up a little bit. So when I get another capacitor for this fan, I have to take this spinner apart and clean up those bearings real good and repack them with grease. One thing's cool about these older fans like this is that they pretty much an all spinner fan. I mean, look, this is the motor housing I'm holding up that's over it, and there's hardly any space at all inside. And look how thick it is. Now that's a spinner. That is a spinner that I approve of. But yeah. Yeah. Yep. I know that capacitor's bad. I mean, just look at it. But it's fixable. So no problem there. Yeah, like I was saying, it's pretty much an all spinner fan. I like that. I already started editing the this first video of this fan, and after I get that uploaded on YouTube, since YouTube takes 100 years to upload a video, I'll have the other one that I just got finished doing, you know, with testing the 3 fans out, and I'll start editing that video once I get finished editing this one. So yeah. So that's what I need to do. I need to get a capacitor for one and take that motor apart and clean out those bearings and repack them with grease, and hopefully that'll be a running fan too. Alright, well, until next time, peace.